I took my troubles down to Madame Rue. You know that gypsy with the gold cap too. She's got a pad down a very floating vine, selling little bottles of.
You ready?
Ready.
Ready. Well, today is going to be a new one. Not really, it's always a new. Oh, it's a new one all the time. I try not to do the same thing twice, but sometimes I have to do the same thing twice. Like get dressed. I do that twice.
In one day?
In one day, yes.
Okay.
Okay, this is going to be hashtag Love Potion 2022. Hashtag Love Potion 2022, which is a challenge by Vino with 60-second cocktails. David, Booze on the Rocks, and Rob at Rob's Home Bar. They challenged it, and I'm going to do it. My drink is Love Potion number 9. That's what it's going to be. Love Potion number 9. When you drink this, women will just come at you if you're a guy. And if you're a woman, man, you're going to have guys all over you. That's going to be it, because you just drink it and you get 4 hours. 4 hours. And you're going to be a sex magnet. People will be looking at you, saying all kinds of crazy stuff. But first, I got to give my shout-outs. Cocktail Fridays. If nobody's watching his videos, you got to go in and watch his Mele Kaliki Maka Christmas video. Unbelievable. And then a Batman video that he just did, his newest video. Get in there and watch these videos. This guy is awesome. Cocktail Fridays. I'm going to put it down there in the section where I say show more down there. Chris Hansen. He does some really good cooking. I like your channel, Chris. You do an awesome job. And also, Master Your Glass. This guy knows more about shakers and glass, cocktail glasses, than anybody. You got to get on those places, subscribe, watch their thing, give them a thumbs up, and like them, just like them. Now, since this is Valentine's Day, I got to give you a couple of things. Did you know that Valentine's Day in Chicago is a bad day because you get killed? Maybe if you go to a garage. They be shooting at people in garages. Well, at least do anyways. I don't know if they still do that. People send more Valentine's Day cards than any other greeting card. That's a new one on me. I didn't know that. I get a lot of Christmas cards. We get them all over the place. And the first heart-shaped chocolate box was made in 1861 by Cadbury. I thought they just made eggs. I didn't know that they did all that other stuff. So that's what's news. And there's my list. I threw it over there. Here we go. Today we're making the Love Potion number 9 for the hashtag Love Potion 2022 challenge. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in a half of an ounce of Cointreau into a shaker glass with ice, of course. Half an ounce of Cointreau. Half an ounce of 99 bananas, or banana brandy, but this is banana flavored booze. Just a half an ounce of that stuff. Oh, this is getting pretty good, isn't it? It's tasty already. 2 ounces of gin. People think I use vodka all the time. No, I use other stuff too. 2 ounces of gin. Wow, that's quite a bit. That's like more than an ounce, isn't it, Karen?
I think it is.
Yeah.
I think you're correct.
2 ounces of cranberry juice. There you go, 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Whoa. Splash of Cointreau.
That's not Cointreau.
Chambord?
Yeah.
Splash of Chambord, just a splash. Okay, that's like food coloring. Except it's not food. And you gotta shake it up. There you go, it's all shooken up. It's shooken. It's shooken, not disturbed. It's shooken. Top it off with some bubbly.
Don't forget your flamingo. Ooh.
And there's my flamingo. I got a pink flamingo on my red drink. Well, it's not too red, but it's red enough. Right?
Right.
I gotta dig into this puppy. Karen got me these little flamingos here with a popsicle stick under it. That's good. I like it. So everybody out there, remember, get your vaccination, wear a mask, say hello to your mama, Cocktail Tony, over and out.